welcome to Time with Lydia, the pharmacist. The fishy odor down there. What could be the cause and how is it treated? Today we are going to be diving into the topic bacterial vaginosis, possible causes and treatment options. So don't go anywhere, let's dive in together. A fishy smelling vaginal discharge is commonly caused by bacterial vaginosis, a common bacterial infection that occurs as a result of an imbalance in the normal bacteria in the vagina. Bacterial vaginosis is not regarded as a sexually transmitted infection, but it is very common in women who are sexually active than those who are not. And because of this, some experts consider it as sexually associated. Here is the breakdown of the possible causes, the treatment options, and some preventive measures. The most common reason why you would have a fishy odor down there is as a result of an overgrowth of anaerobic bacteria. An example being Gardnerella vaginalis. And the symptoms would include a thin, grey or white discharge, a strong fishy odor, often worse after sex, a mild itching or burning, or sometimes none. Now let's talk about the possible risk factors. Bacterial vaginosis is not a sexually transmitted infection, but being sexually active can put you at risk of developing it. And also having recurrent sexually transmitted infections can put you at risk of developing bacterial vaginosis. The use of douches, deodorants, and vaginal washes can also put you at risk of developing bacterial vaginosis. I've got a full video on douching, so make sure you check it out. Other risk factors include menstruation, the presence of semen in your vagina, smoking, and the presence of the copper intrauterine device in your vagina can all increase the risk of developing bacterial vaginosis. One other reason why you would develop a fishy, smelly odor down there or in your vagina could be as a result of trichomoniasis. This is a sexually transmitted infection caused by a bacteria known as Trichomonas vaginalis. Symptoms of this sexually transmitted infection include a fishy or foul-smelling yellowish green frothy discharge, pain during urination or sex, a burning sensation, an itch or redness. Your partner may have no symptoms. Sometimes too, the fishy odor down there could be as a result of a mixed infection, possibly bacterial vaginosis plus a yeast infection, or bacterial vaginosis plus trichomoniasis. Sometimes also the fishy or foul smell down there could be as a result of a retained object, for example, a forgotten tampon. Poor hygiene or the use of some soaps, some douches, and washes can also cause a fishy smell down there. Now, what do you do when you develop a fishy or foul smell in your vagina? As much as possible, avoid self-treating because it's got to be diagnosed before treatment can follow. The first thing to do is to see your healthcare provider so they can carry out a pelvic examination and a vaginal swab to confirm a diagnosis. Once the diagnosis is known, then treatment would follow. There are antibiotics that are used for the treatment of bacterial vaginosis and trichomoniasis. If it is confirmed that it is bacterial vaginosis, there are antibiotics that can be used. Examples are metronidazole and tinidazole. All these would have to be prescribed by your healthcare provider. If it is confirmed that it is trichomoniasis, there are antibiotics as well that can be used to get rid of it. In the case of trichomoniasis, your partner would have to be treated as well. So as much as possible, make sure you get yourself tested before treatment follows. Don't self-treat. We all don't want to suffer from such infections because they can make you very uncomfortable. So I've got some preventive measures that I'm going to share with you. These are very simple to carry out and they have proven to be very effective. The first preventive tip: avoid douching and the use of scented vaginal products. Keep your vaginal area dry and clean all the time. Limit multiple and new sexual partners and use condom to reduce your risk of contracting a sexually transmitted infection. Change your tampons regularly. Wear cotton underwears and avoid wearing very tight clothing. And make sure you stay hydrated all the time. Now, our take home for today: a fishy vaginal odor does not mean you're dirty. All it means is that the bacteria in your vagina are off balance. Get checked, get treated, and your body will thank you. I hope this video is beneficial. Please don't go without giving it a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our educative and informative content. Leave your comments and your questions in the comment section. Thank you once again, and I hope to see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.